What if OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, decided to put AI directly into your ears? That's right. Rumors say OpenAI is planning to launch its first hardware device in 2026, and it could be a pair of AI-powered earbuds. Before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Your support keeps these updates coming. OpenAI has been teasing hardware since acquiring Jony Ive's startup I.O. last year. While details are scarce, Chief Global Affairs Officer Chris Lehane confirmed the first device will be announced in the second half of this year. Sam Altman hinted it'll be more peaceful and calm than your iPhone, a pocketable, screen-free companion. Leaks and Asian reporting suggest the device, codenamed Sweet Pea, could feature a unique design and a custom 2-nanometer processor capable of handling AI tasks locally, without relying on the cloud. OpenAI may initially ship 40 to 50 million units, potentially manufactured by Foxconn. The strategy is clear. With ChatGPT reaching nearly 1 billion weekly users, OpenAI wants more control over how its AI assistant is distributed and used, offering features exclusive to its own device. But taking on AirPods won't be easy. Strong integration with operating systems will be crucial for adoption. So far, AI-focused wearables haven't had a breakout success. The Humane AI pin sold to HP, Rabbit is still slowly growing, and the Friend AI companion necklace faced backlash. Meanwhile, big tech isn't sitting still. Meta's Ray-Ban glasses are booming, and Amazon's Bee could become a smart companion device. OpenAI's earbuds could finally push AI into our everyday lives, but it's going to take more than hype. Stay tuned, because 2026 might be the year AI goes fully wearable. Don't forget to watch the related video in the corner to see the latest on AI devices and wearables.